of pigeons who didn't make it back home, right, guys? Come on, let's go. All right, put that back. Close the truck. They probably already know, oh, this is the same place yesterday. Like it when they fly much higher up like that. When they fly higher up like that, they get more yeah, when they fly higher up like that, oh man, look at those antelopes right there. The pigeon's flying right above the antelopes right there right now. Coming back this way. Well, look at those antelopes right there, walking right along that ridge line. Alright, so they're right there though. Same spot yesterday, let's go. Close the truck. There they go. It seems like they're flying the better direction now. Yep, look like they've learned from yesterday.
Back home, they came straight down and landed. There's only 3 of them. Pigeons. More of them just came back right now.
Visitor here today. Hello, hello. He's back. This guy, he comes back every winter. This guy's always back every winter. He scared the heck out of the birds. I enjoy having this guy around because he helps keep snakes away and rodents and other things. And I think this guy does take pigeons if they're on the rooftop at night. This is a gray horned owl. He's here every winter or towards the autumn season. He comes here and sometimes he's roost up here on a patio all night long. Yeah, he's a sight to see. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Yeah, look at the way he could turn his head. Woo woo. Woo woo. Hello. Woo 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 woo. Hello. I think this one's a small male. The female is a lot bigger than this, I believe. Yeah, but there's like 3 owls that live in this area in the wintertime, and they always come and land in our trees here, and they sit up here and they poop and make a big old mess sometimes, but it's fun to see them. Some people don't like owls, but to me, they're all God's creation and they're just a part of nature, and I enjoy seeing them. When you walk the mountains and hills, you don't really get an up close view like this, so it's kind of a treat to see animals in your backyard like this once in a while. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. He's checking me out. He's like, what the heck? You speak my language? Woo, 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 woo. Like one eye big, one eye. He's like making one eye bigger than the other. Like what the? Woo, 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 woo. Our race is canceled this weekend. The 250 miles race is canceled due to strong and high winds. Oh, we got a falcon up there as well. There's our pigeons right there. And look like we got a falcon in the area now. Oh, no, 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 no. Uh-oh. Seems like it's gonna be a long day now. Yep, he's starting to float around. Oh, man. All right, so we'll have to keep our eyes out. We got a falcon and an owl now. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to say something about the young birds. These late hatches, most of them they didn't go to the young birds race this year, and that is a good thing because out of 6 birds we entered, we lost 4 at the 200 miles. Even though we trained them to 110 miles before the first race, and then we also trained them to 60 miles and 80 miles before the first race, they still didn't come home. So that goes to say that, you know, there are factors out there that could cause birds not to come home. Regardless, you know, they might have flown too far north, too far south, or hunters could be a variation, or, you know, a reason as well, but we don't really know. But at the end of the day, I'm glad I didn't send all my young birds. You know, these are the young birds flying, and I'm saving them for the old birds team and the old bird race in their springtime. And the thing about the springtime is that old bird race could go up to about, like, was it around 500 miles or a little bit more or a little less? I don't know, but I don't know exactly the mileage. But either way, our young birds, we're not going to, our late hatches, we saved them for the old birds race. But this is what you can do, because by the time old bird season comes around, they will only be about maybe 7, 8 months, 9, 10 months, and because they're late hatches. But the thing is that you can enter, because they were born this year, you can enter into the old birds race next year, but you don't have to fly the 500 miles. You can fly the 100 all the way to the 300 or 350 miles, just to give them some experience in the basket, and just to kind of learn how good they are as young birds and how they would perform against old birds. But to go to the 500 miles, you might want to wait until they are in the second year, where they have more muscles and they have more homing instincts and everything else. So yeah, that's just all I wanted to say about young birds and late hatches. And those are things that you guys can do. Just because you have late hatches, it doesn't mean that you know that you give up on them or you sell them off. If you but you can also, if you don't want to sell them off, you can definitely race them in the old bird season up to the 300 and 350 miles, and let them relax for the rest of the year until next year, and then enter them again and see how they do all the way up to the 500 miles or so. Yeah, I just wanted to note that in there, just in case some of you guys feel that late hatches are a lost cause or whatnot, but they're actually not. They're actually good, and I have high hopes for the old bird seasons. I want to fly these late hatches next year in the old bird season up to 300 or 350 miles and see what they do. And that's what some of you guys can do as well. If you have late hatches, you don't have to fly the 500. You can fly the 300 to 350, and then only allow the older ones to go to the 500 and see what they do. But yeah, our birds are really flying today. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. God bless, take care. Until next time, I'll update you guys.